Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create content for Instagram using Canva. So make sure Canva has been downloaded to your phone and you have already made your own account using your email. So from your Canva, you can see here templates. Just tap on the templates and you can find here a lot of templates on any occasions or any subjects that you want to make, or you can just type here in the search bar. For example, you're going to make a template for the social media platform. So just type social media and then you will find here all the categories. So just tap that word category and then you can find here social media. Now let's tap that. And all the social media platforms here you will be able to find. So let's try Instagram. So for example, you want to make an Instagram Reels, just tap and click apply. The good thing about Canva is that you can choose different templates available here, but you can also create your own template and you can also choose any templates that is available. Some are already accessible, some needs to be upgraded for you to avail it. So just choose any template and then you can start editing from there. Just simply tap that specific picture or video, then you can just change or replace them, any pictures, any videos from your gallery. So just tap it, or you can delete the video and then tap replace. And then once you're done, you can just tap that arrow button, or you can also view it. You can play the result, and once you're satisfied, you can just tap that arrow button on the upper right corner of your phone and it will start downloading to your phone and it will be opened from your phone's gallery. So that's how accessible and easy to use Canva is. So you can also choose the file type, whether it's a picture or JPEG or PNG or a video type. Just tap download and you can start sharing that document to Instagram or any social media platform. And that's basically the whole process of using Canva in any platform. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.